At Moksha Kitchen, we strive to bring you the finest Indian cuisine as our food is authentically prepared and beautifully presented. Here, you will find not only your favorites, but even more dishes you may not be familiar with yet. Each dish on our menu is prepared using fresh ingredients and bold flavors unique to the various regions. Whether you're here for our lunch buffet or looking for a romantic evening out, we are dedicated to making your experience a memorable one. We invite you to come and experience the exquisite setting and authentic food in our restaurant. So what are you waiting for? Call Moksha Kitchen Indian Cuisine today or find us on Facebook to learn more.